Santiago. We have just slept through the night and it was raining, not great. And now we are going to the ferry and we'll go to the Isle of Mull. And there should be a great spot there. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Right. Morning. Morning, morning. Good bloody morning. Let's get out onto here. Holborn Holiday Park. See you later. Woo. Decent nice kip. Bloody hell, it was blowing like mad at about 3 in the morning and chucking it down. But this morning we've had dry weather to put the tents down in. So I've had a shower and we're heading to this. Just heading to the BP garage to get some fuel, and then we were going to do the Isle of Mull to... No, we weren't. We're going to do the Oban to Mull ferry, but we couldn't get on the same ferry. So we booked it. I booked a later one. Dan and my brother booked an earlier one. And just a sec, what is this place? So this place, I've been here a few times and it's got security all over it. Got security cameras and all sorts. I've no idea what it is. Alchemy. Sounds strange. Anyway, yeah, so going to do the Oban to Mull ferry. We booked it. I booked a later one. Dad and brother booked an earlier one. And we've ultimately ended up deciding, because the weather's decent, to go and do the Corran ferry and then do the Lochaline ferry to Mull. I think it goes Lochaline to Craig Newer. I think it's called, or Craig Nor. Which is a much shorter, I think it's like 2 ferries, but it's much shorter. It means we've got about an hour or so to get to the Corran ferry. And I need to get this right, I'm getting all these ferries mixed up. To the Corran ferry. And then we've probably got about another hour to go from that ferry to Lochaline. And then we'll be on the Isle of Mull. I'm imagining it's going to be mostly single track road, but Tobermory is there where they film Balamory, so maybe we'll go and have a look at that. If you've not seen Balamory, quality bit of programme. That purple fella that lives in that lighthouse, what's he called? He's a comedian now, can't remember what his name is. Mr. Purple. He's not called Mr. Purple, is he? I don't know. But yeah, we'll go and see that, that'll be cool. And yeah, we'll go from there. Look at it over there, look at the water back there. Yeah, so local line is saying it's 52 minutes on mine. 30 mile. 30 mile? 30 mile. What coordinates? Yeah. We good? Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
once I finish my lunch, I'll come back and do your ticket. But just make sure you are in the right place. Thank you very much.
I mean, oh wait, do we get on or do we not get on? I mean,
It's in dark, aren't you? Saw a massive otter this morning.
where?
Where we camped,
Yeah,
we just turned onto the road.
yeah.
It just came out of the bushes.
Oh, and there was a bit of an otter.
It was a big, long thing with a tail.
Wasn't a beaver.
What does a beaver look like?
I'm not sure, but apparently I've got beavers up here now.
It was either an otter or a beaver.
I reckon it's probably an otter. I don't know. That's pretty cool. You not get a picture of it?
Excuse me, are we likely to be getting on soon? Or?
No, the ferry doesn't go till 2:25.
Okay.
Sorry, did I forgot to tell you that before?
Okay, no, it's okay.
So yeah,
it's
you still got like an hour.
Before we go on, thank you.
They'll load in about 10 minutes before sailing time, so about 2:15.
Oh, brilliant. Right, that's great. Thank you. No, that's fine. Thank you.
Gotta go up to that shop.
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
What are you thinking?
We'll come back here for like 2:05. Well, we'll probably just sit on that bench, won't we, anyway?
Just get someone to come back, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
Waterball Lake. No, I'm going to be stuck behind this lorry. If you're wondering why I've just set the bloody microphone disconnected itself. You couldn't hear anything that I was saying. Anyway, relax. Here we are. The Isle of Mull. Made it. That ferry was only short, really. So now I need to find Fion Fort. Fion Fort campsite? Fion Fort. Fion Fort, Fion Fort, Fion Fort, Fion Fort. Ignore me. What am I even saying? Anyway, 38 miles to go. That's the second and final ferry of the day. Two relatively short ferries, really. Need to also see if I can get past this lorry, which might be a bit of a... who knows, could be a nightmare, could be easy. These guys were on the ferry, I think they're from down south, doing removals. Bit of a change for someone, isn't it, moving from down south to the Isle of Mull. But this place seems great already. You know, it doesn't seem as busy as Skye, that's for sure. So I guess it's a bit more of a faff to get to. I don't expect my dad to have noticed that I've stopped, nor do I expect him to stop and wait. So choice is get past the ferry or get left behind, essentially. There's no straight sections of road to get past, so that's It's ideal. That's what you want. Yeah, it's supposed to be decent weather this afternoon. Supposed to be, or at least dry at this Fion Fort place that we're going. I've never been there, my dad's been before. Heading into this Craig Newer now, Craig Newer. Oh, lovely. Lovely bit of rain. And I can't quite remember what the campsite's called. Finders something maybe? Finders Farm? Find out when we're there, but apparently there's a pub there, so that's good. There's a pub. There's a, hopefully a shower. So, fingers crossed, get there in one piece and stays dry. I mean, nobody likes riding around in the rain all day. No sign of my dad. Like I said, not surprising.
And it looks very good. I like it. Some tables over there, and the tent's gonna be over there.
How's your arse?
Hurting. It's bad. It's
Yeah.
not good. Been hurting the whole way. I had to stand up for a bit of it. And I almost fell asleep during it.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah.
Right, we're doing tent. Tent?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Right. Obviously, tents are up now. Just sat in the porch of my tent as it's decided to rain again. Let's see if I can close it. Well, as it turns out, you can sit in the porch of this just about. I don't think near that rain. It's coming down pretty heavy. It's just gone 5 PM. It's a great spot, this. Fidden Farm campsite that we're at. Really good spot. Pretty quiet as well. Mull has been fairly quiet. Quite a few cars passing places, stuff like that. But I think when most people come to Mull, they're obviously going over to Tobermory, which I don't know if we're going to check out tomorrow or not. Be cool to go and see. But yeah, tent's pretty much set up. I don't know if you can see in there. I've tried to like keep it a little bit less messy in there. Just trying to get the essential stuff in rather than packing everything in, but see how we get on, get the rest of it out later. Got everything else there, the essential Pepsi Max breakfast job, boots there. Yeah, feeling pretty good. It's been a good day so far. Just about to head into Fort for a bite to eat, and then yeah, be chilling out. Hopefully this rain stops, because I don't fancy getting absolutely soaked. But yeah, it's been good. Roads have been good in Mull as well. Just seems like one main road mostly, or at least that's what we were on, which was pretty good. Beautiful scenery as well, and we were lucky that we were dry pretty much getting off the ferry. So yeah, would definitely recommend this place. I think a lot of people have been saying it's like a mini Scotland all on its own, and it definitely feels like that. Feels a little bit like Harris, but a little bit more going on, I guess. I know Harris has got Stornoway, but yeah, I guess Mull's fairly easy to get to by ferry, quite a short ferry, so yeah, not surprised by that. But yeah, it's been good. So yeah, gonna just get changed, just put my waterproofs on, wander into town, a mile or so away, and then grab some bite to eat, and then I'll catch up with you before I go to bed. So yeah, cheers. I'll see you later on. What was that? Anton chucking stuff. What were you chucking?
Whatever this is. This.
Yeah, seaweed.
It felt quite nice.
Well, yeah, people will have been stood on it. What's he saying? No, of course it won't. See me just in the tent. Is that working? Oh man, this is dark. Just had a right load of faff with the bloody camera. I've just dumped the footage on the laptop, so that's good. That's all safe. Yeah, the rear thing on the camera was like playing up, so I've just had to update the camera and then hard reset the camera, but that seems to have fixed something for now. Yeah, it's been some sort of bug in the tent. Yeah, it's been a good day. We went for a bit of a decent walk before. Yeah, knackered now. Tomorrow, plan is to go to Loch Lomond, so that'll be good. It's probably going to be a long ride, but that should leave us not too far off for Thursday night, where we're going to camp in the Lake District, so hopefully it all plays out. Weather's been good so far, but tomorrow and Thursday and Friday are not looking good, so we'll see what happens. Bloody, there is definitely some sort of bug flying about in here. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the series so far. If you've made it this far, please, please, please do subscribe. I am, at the moment, 29 subscribers off getting to 100. So, please do it. If you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, give it a like. And comment below any suggestions for any further trips. It can be anywhere. In the lakes. I'm loving it. And also, maybe give me some tips on what more you want to see. If there's anything in this video that's stood out to you, let me know. Thanks very much for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.